Okay, London session live. Currently looking at AUDNZD. AUDNZD on the weekly, we have a breakout bar above all these levels, 100% bullish bias here, followed by a bearish fake out bar. I was bullish on AUDNZD last week. Wanted to see a trend retracement. Technically, there was a trend retracement, but didn't pull back deep enough, so I did not go for this. Broke out and then ended up failing. And then today, or this week, price came down, faked out the previous week low. So breakout followed by bearish fake out. This is a trend continuation setup. Breakout followed by bearish fake out. Want to see price come down, fake out the previous week low as well as the previous day low. Above the breakout level, it did that. Yesterday, I was kind of hoping that price would continue pushing down and give a bearish breakout day today so I can get a reversal at this point, but did not do that. Went back up. And now I'm interested because we're breaking out above previous day high. So we broke out above the previous day high. So daily traders are now bullish. And we are below the daily breakout level, but this is a counter trend breakout move. And I think this might be the entry very soon here. So on counter trend breakouts, we have a breakout coming down, faked out the low over here. And then we're breaking out above the high below that breakout level. So most counter trend breakouts want to go right back to that breakout level. And so this is why I'm interested to get in on this move based off of the weekly. Wasn't able to get in this one. I thought, again, I was hoping that this would continue pushing down, but did not do that. So I missed an entry over here. So if I don't get that one, I'm waiting for a breakout. And price has come back, faked out the range low, and now I'm looking for a move back up. And specifically, I'm trading it on the M5, which is looking at this H8 bar. We have this H8 bar that closed above previous day high, and now price is coming down. Faked out the H2 low, which is the momentum time frame above the breakout level. So this is a continuation pattern. Continuation patterns happen in between swing points. I would have preferred taking the one all the way at the bottom here. This is a reversal pattern, flipping the breakout level and then getting above the high. But again, I was hoping that it would continue pushing down. Did not get that rejection that I wanted. And so this is the next time I can start looking for a move here. So now all I'm waiting for is just for price to come up above this level. And again, I'm trading it based off of this H8 bar. Trend retracement on the H8. See this fake out of a range. Let's see how that looks like here. Not the best bar flow. Would prefer a breakout bar. But if it can get above this level, then I'm going to take it on the M5. And I'll keep my stops away from that range because there is a possibility that there's not enough volume to continue pushing, but let's see. So just waiting for price to get above here, 10-second, 15-second closures above. Okay, got it. 10-second close, did not close above. Looking at the timer here. Okay, got in. Keeping my stops far away from that range or at the edge of that range. And this is a weekly move, so looking for weekly levels. I would expect price to get stuck at the high of the week, which is right here, and another level at the daily breakout level. There's a range level here as well as a fake out level. And previous week high, I'll mark that off. So ultimately, I would want price to get back above here. Actually, there's another setup here. Breaking out of the previous month high, coming down, faking out the low. This is trend breakout. Most trend breakouts, I want to trade back up to the highs. Don't have the stomach to hold that long, but let's see how this moves. If it moves smooth, then I can hold it, but otherwise I'll probably take it to this range level here. This is decent, about 2R to the daily breakout level. But technically, the setup for a trend continuation is taking it to the fake out level. So we have a bearish fake out, and so I'd look for price to get back to that fake out level. But let's see, plenty of levels to look for here. Okay, so that's it. And let's see where this goes. Stop loss at the lows here. First target, fake out level, but we'll look at the daily breakout level as well as a range as two areas. Ultimately, I'd want to trade it back to the highs. See, there's 9 more days, and we are at a range here. This range continues to exist until there's a breakout bar that closes above it. So I'll probably just trade it to that fake out level for the final target. Okay, so that's it, and let's see. Okay, so AUDNZD ended up moving pretty good, went past that daily breakout level, aiming for this day range high, but gonna get off the charts. There's some red news coming up soon, at least in my calendar, so I'm not gonna hold this overnight. Gonna end it right here. So this is about a 3R move, and that's it. So this was seen on the weekly breakout followed by fake out. This would have been early entry, wanted it to continue pushing down, did not do that, but once it broke out, saw that counter trend breakout, waited for the H8 bar to close. Since this was coming up to that H8 bar, waited for the H8 bar to close, and I ended up taking this on the M5. So this is actually probably more of a monthly move. If I take it on the M5, it's based off of the H8. And so on the monthly, we have a breakout, breaking out of the range, breakout, faking out the low, and I'd expect continuation. So kind of multiple setups. We have a trend breakout, the second trade on the monthly, breaking out of that previous month high, faking out the low. So that's this setup. And then on the weekly, it's a trend continuation. Gonna classify this as a trend continuation trade. I saw that weekly move first. And I did mark it off, I believe. Had this for last week. Wanted a trend retracement. Didn't do that. Instead, price broke out. So I had nothing on that first bar. And it came back down. So that's a second bar trade. So first bar trade, always looking for one of these setups. When we have a breakout bar, looking for a trend retracement, trend pullback, or trend reversal, or I'm looking for a trend breakout if it breaks out. And if I don't get any of those setups, then I'm waiting for the second bar trade, which is a continuation setup, either a continuation pullback or reversal. So in this case was a continuation, got in on that move, and yeah, that's it. So again, not going to hold it overnight, but would have liked to hold it up to this range level, fake out level, and then final target would be high of the month. But happy with this and done.